Hey guys, today I'm going to grill some marinated pork chops. So let's get queuing. I have some pork loin chops here, bone in, that I got for $3.99 a pound. So these were $9.78 for 4 of them. I cooked 2 last night for dinner to try this out. They came out good, so I'll use the other 2 for my video here. Alright, I'm going to make a marinade. I'm using apple cider vinegar. Apple goes well with pork, so I usually use about half vinegar and about half oil, so I'm just going to kind of eyeball it. So put the vinegar on there, and then this is avocado oil, but you can use any type of cooking oil that you like or that you have around. It's usually what I do. I just kind of use what I have most of the time. Alright, we got that. A little bit of kosher salt. And then some Johnny's seasoned pepper. I use this all the time. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. If you don't have this, you probably just use some salt and pepper and some garlic powder and onion powder. Just sprinkle a little on. Alright, that looks good. I'm going to flip them over and do the other side. I'm going to let these marinate on the counter for a couple hours. I think if you're marinating for a shorter period of time like that, it's fine, you know, because I think the pores and the meat open up and the marinade gets into the meat better. And I'm just going to flip them over every once in a while and kind of massage them a little bit to help the marinade get in there. One other thing you can use if you want to make it simpler is just an Italian dressing like that. That works good as a marinade as well. Last night I marinated these on the counter for 2.5 hours. But with these, I had to leave today. So after about an hour and a half, I stuck them in the fridge while I was gone, so I just pulled them back out. So they've been in there about 6 hours this time, but usually if I have to leave or they're going to be in there longer, I'll put them in the fridge for a while. But you can see they're a darker color now, so they look good. They've soaked up the marinade. I'm going to get them on the grill. I have my little Weber Q1200 warming up here. The temperature is over 400 degrees on the thermometer there, so it's good and hot. And we'll just get these pork chops on there. I have it on high. I'm just going to cook them on high, flip them over after a few minutes here. It's been about 7 minutes. Let's see how these look. I think I'm going to flip them over here. Oh yeah, nice grill marks on those. Look at that. Beautiful. Let them cook on that side for a few minutes and we'll get them off. Okay, it's been about 4 minutes on that side. Pork should be minimum of 145 degrees Fahrenheit to be done. See what the temperature is here. About 163 on that one. About 167 on that one. Those are good. I'm going to get them off of there. These have a really nice color on the outside. Let's cut into one and see what it looks like on the inside. See if it's juicy or dry as a bone here. Alright, let's see. Well, if I can get it turned around. That looks pretty good. It's been sitting and cooling off just a little bit, so try a bite. The ones I had cooked yesterday had a lot of flavor, so we'll see. Here we go. That has a lot of flavor. Pork takes up a marinade really good, better than some other meats, I think. Annie's dancing around. I think she wants to try this. There you go, Annie. Inhaled. So if you haven't tried marinating pork, it has a lot of flavor that way, and it's quite a bit cheaper than beef. Anyway, alright, all the ingredients in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.